If you want to add event to a calendar on Nothing Phone 3, first of all, we need to open the calendar that you can find, for example, in the app drawer. So let's go over here. After that, you can select the day on which you want to create an event, or you can press this plus button in the bottom right corner and choose event. Here we can set up the title. We can choose whether it is an event, task, or birthday. You can also set it to last the whole day. You can choose the date, and if it doesn't last the whole day, then you can choose the time as well. You can choose the time zone, whether the event should repeat or not. You can add people to the event, add video conferencing. You can add location. You can manage notifications when you want to be informed about the event. For example, you can set it one day before. You can choose the color for the event, add description, and attach files from Google Drive. Once you set everything up, you can just simply press save in the top right corner, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.